Hello everyone, welcome to Technology Begins. In this video, we will learn about how many type of string concatenation we can perform in our Python program. So let's see and take an example of that. So for concatenation a string of 2, if I have one string called string 1 which is representing like this, another one is okay. So how I can concatenate in third variable? So one way is string 1 plus string 2. Let's print the string 3. So this is how you can concat the two string into one, like this. Learning Python. So two string are concat, and if I want to put space between them, then how can I concat space also between them? Like this, I can concat the space between these two string, like this. So this space is added between this two string, and another way of concat the string is f. This is basically f for formatting, and then after we need to put braces string 1, and if we want to put space between two string, then just put the space and python sorry string 2. So this will concat this string 1 and string 2, and let's run this program and see the output. The same output is given by this also. So this is the another way of concatenating the strings. Okay, and third way is like this, dot format, and we can define over here. This is same way of uh, as we have seen for the f, and after that we have written the string, and this is basically a method of dot format that is also following the format method, but it is in another way. Like this, you can write, you don't need to write a variable inside of this curly braces. You need to write your variable over here, string 1 string 2. Okay, so this will concat the two string with the format method. So this is how you can use the format method for concatenate the two string or any number of string. Okay, so this is the type you can use for concatenating the strings. I hope you have understood this concept. Thank you. See you in the next video.